The PNI PG2710 wireless alarm system with voice warning offers event protection and prevention at a very good price-performance ratio, includes the minimum of accessory for immediate installation and commissioning, and is easy to use by customers. It is equipped with state-of-the-art microcontrollers, offers a menu and voice confirmations of the settings and commands made, and most important, in case of alarm, calls up to 6 telephone numbers through the fixed telephone line. The local alert is made through the indoor siren included in the package with a level of 110 decibels. The PNI PG2710 wireless alarm system has door or window sensors which, when opened, will send a call to the host. The PNI PG2710 wireless alarm system contains all the accessories for immediate installation and use. The package contains a wireless motion sensor, a wireless door sensor, 2 remote controls, and an indoor siren for sound alert. The system is suitable for installation in private residences, houses, cottages, offices, shopping centers.